everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Felicia Mesadieu, your guide to help you design the best version of you by looking and feeling your best. Today I have a product review for you today. I am going to be reviewing the L'Oreal Voluminous X Fiber Mascara. It's the Blackest Black, it's number 213, and it's the Black Primer Extreme Volume. Okay, so it looks like here at Target it retails for $9.99, Walmart $9.76. So it looks like at Target it's around $9.99. At Ulta around $10.99. I believe I paid somewhere around $9.99 or $10.99. I purchased mine from Walgreens. And I just want to tell you what it claims to do. It says that it's a supple black primer, instantly builds extreme volume and depth on each lash. It creates a smooth and even black base to prepare lashes for fibers. The fiber infused mascara is L'Oreal's maximum fiber concentration for up to 7 times more volume extreme lash look. I love L'Oreal's mascaras. One of my favorites is their false fiber. So I'm hoping that this will be way better than that. So let's just see what happens. I'm really excited to try this. I like the packaging. I think it stands out with the purple. I like the dual ends. I like that it lets you know that it has step 1 and then step 2. So I'm gonna try on one of my lashes, and then the other one I'm just gonna let it be so we can see. Okay, so we're gonna start with number 1, this side here. So it's a black primer. Oh, okay, I like that, as opposed to having a white primer. I thought it was going to be a white primer. Now we're going to do step 2, which is the actual mascara. Guys, I don't think it's all that. But I don't think it's any better than L'Oreal's false fiber lashes, like their original one. I don't think it's any better. Yeah, I'm not that impressed. And I don't like how the primer dries on the lashes. So as the primer's drying on the lash, that's the one thing I don't like about mascara. You know when you wear mascara and mascara is very drying, so you have to hurry up and put your coats on top because it gets tougher to put the mascara over the dried mascara. I feel like that's what happens with this one as well. I feel like once you put the primer on there, like the formula is drying, so when you try to apply step 2, it's like kind of difficult to put on your lashes. So I'm not like super impressed, to be honest with you. Yeah, I don't think that did a lot. I mean, it's a basic mascara. Okay, so I put the mascara on both eyes, step 1 and step 2, and my final thoughts are, I like false fiber lashes better. I don't think that this is anything that is going to change the game. I don't think it's revolutionary. I mean, you guys, solid effort, but it didn't really quite make it to the moon. You know, I'm trying to go straight to the moon, and we're still on Earth. So I am not exactly like super impressed with Voluminous Superstar X Fiber. Like I could literally just stay with like false fiber lashes. And y'all, I was so excited because I was just like, I could throw my false fiber lashes away. It is 4 months overdue, because you know you're supposed to change your mascara out every 3 months. And I was just holding on for dear life. I was holding on for dear life, and I was just like, oh, bye sis. And now I have to go back to the store and buy another false fiber lashes. Well, I mean, I can't really say like it's not terrible, but it's not amazing. Would I repurchase this? No, I'm gonna stick with false fiber lashes. That is my final thoughts. You ladies, let me know if you've tried this mascara and what you think about the mascara. If you have tried it, tell me what you think about the mascara in my comment section. From the clips that I have shown you, I don't think that it's anything revolutionary, anything that changed my life, anything that's going to help me get bae any quicker. I'm sitting here like, next mascara, sis. So those are my final thoughts. And with that being said, I will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe so you can see more reviews like this. I love doing product reviews. There will be more to come. And follow me on Instagram. Favorite, peace, and blessings. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye.